Hello, Malene. Thanks for being with us and thanks for a great presentation.
Thank you.
So, could you tell us what were the main messages of your presentation?
The main message was that we are telling about how we work to get rid of hazardous chemicals as a retail chain, and also how we try to involve the consumers, because it's very important to have them with us because they need to take the right choices in our stores.
So you told us a lot about the great initiative that Coop Denmark is taking in taking out hazardous chemicals from their product line. What suggestions would you give other retailers that want to pursue a similar road?
I also suggest them to involve with experts and authorities and NGOs to find the information and see if there are any solution and see if it's needed to implement requirements which goes on legislation, because we know that consumers are concerned about these chemicals. So if we can meet their concern and provide more healthy food and food contact material, then we'll be also happier consumers and more loyal consumers. So, and it will also be easy because we get a lot of information about attending seminars involving scientists and authorities. So this is a good advice.
Do you have any suggestions about what is important when one is interacting with legislators, for instance?
It's very important to find the right level where we need to be a front runner, and also to involve the manufacturers and the producers, because they have to help us find the right solutions. But it's also important to say that when you have private label products, as we have in Coop, it's more easy to implement requirements and ban hazardous chemicals in our products. So when we work together, I think we all want the same direction. When we work together, then we find the more safe solution in the future.
All right. Thank you very much, and thanks again for a great presentation.
Welcome.